here in our small Temu package, we have 2 packs of contact lenses. Ultra hydrating, lightweight, breathable. 2 packs here. This one open. And they are colored contacts. These are blue with a darker blue around the edge and some gold and yellow tone in the middles. Let's try them out. It's pretty neat to come by. Nice little mystery package here, something I normally wouldn't have gotten. I have blue eyes and I love my blue eyes. So let's try something. Okay, here. This is pretty. Neat. Focus right on in. Lightweight, can't feel it. Oh, neat. Let's pop the other one. Oh, it's pretty fun. This would be fun to do for a night out or just for something different. Nice. Air pocket out of there. Got one lined up. Oh, they're quite nice. Light, can't feel them. Let's see. I can see just as clear as I could. See really well with the glasses. So if you wear a prescription contact, I wouldn't recommend it for a prescription contact. For a different color or to wear with your glasses a different color. Works perfectly. They don't move when you blink. Give that one a 10 out of 10. I like that. So recommend that. They don't have a name brand on them. Just this contact lens, ultra hydrating, lightweight, breathable. Came from Temu. It's a little mystery bag. I've seen these online before. Maybe called V-tones. Pretty cool. Join us again for next time.